Hello, this is David from Beechhillgarage in Berkshire, and today we're looking at our June 1960 Triumph TR3A sports car. Fitted with a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine running with twin SU carburetors and a 4-speed overdrive gearbox. These cars really do perform well, and as well as brisk acceleration, you've got that overdrive gear for relaxed cruising. Really well equipped, these cars, built in 1960, so next June will be its 60th birthday. All of the usual Triumph instrumentation on the dashboard there, amp meter, temperature, fuel gauge of course, and oil pressure gauge, all in good order. Speedo and of course rev counter, and just on the right there of that beautiful steering wheel is the overdrive control. Unusually for sports cars of this age or this era, quite a generous sized boot. See those early Triumph Spitfire rear lights there. Car comes with a hood and also the Perspex side windows for winter motoring. And under the bonnet there is in just as smart, clean condition as you can see from outside. So there it is, our June 1960 Triumph TR3A supercar. If you'd like more information, please go to our website beechhillgarage.com or call us on 01189 884 774. Ask for Alex or David, and we look forward to hearing from you. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.